Vehicle on the left looks like it might pull out. I slow and pass safely. A parked car door suddenly opens. Stay alert and move carefully. The car beside me speeds up, then slows down for 20 miles per hour limit. I move right to give a cyclist space, but the light turns red just as I change lanes. Stopped at the red, a cyclist jumps past on my right. Always watch for the unexpected. The right lane is blocked by turning traffic, so I switch left to pass, then back right to keep going straight. Stick around, because in this video we'll break down each situation and show you exactly how to handle them like a confident UK driver. I'm parked on the left side, and before getting in, I check for passing cars and cyclists. Using the Dutch reach, I open the door slowly and get inside safely. First, I turn the key to start the engine. Second thing I do, I buckle my seat belt. Safety always comes first. I press the clutch, select first gear, check mirrors and my blind spot, then indicate right and handbrake down. I turn fully to the right and move off slowly, keeping a safe distance from the car in front. Going slow also helps the sensors alert me if I get too close. I shift smoothly from first to second gear, then into third, keeping the engine steady and my speed controlled. Here the road has double solid lines. No overtaking is allowed. The only exceptions are if you're turning into a side road, passing a stationary vehicle safely, or following a police direction. On the left, there's a yellow box junction. Don't enter it unless your exit is clear. It's there to keep traffic flowing. Only proceed when you can move through safely. Approaching a green light that's been on for a while, I drive below the limit and stay ready. If it turns umber, I decide whether to slow down or, if safe, accelerate, always prioritizing safety over his. The road bends ahead with giveaway lines. I put on my left signal. This helps alert vehicles behind and check over my right shoulder to see if any vehicle is coming before proceeding. This road used to be 30 miles per hour, but it's now reduced to 20 miles per hour. Most of the time when I drive here, there's no one in front of me, while a long line builds up behind. I feel 25 miles per hour could have been a better balance, but since the rule is 20, I stick to it. Safety and legality come first. The vehicle on the left looks like it might pull out. I slow down and give space, passing safely. Always anticipate what other drivers might do. The road bends to the left ahead. I ease off the accelerator, stay in my lane, and look through the bend to anticipate any hazards. A car is waiting to join the main road from the right. I stay alert, maintain my lane, and adjust my speed if necessary to give them space. I approach a Pelican cruising on green, staying ready in case pedestrians press the button. Just ahead, there's another yellow box. I only enter if my exit is clear. Here we see double yellow lines along the edge. That means no waiting or parking at any time, though you can still stop briefly to pick up or drop off passengers. On the left, a parked car's door is open and the driver steps out. This is a hazard. I slow slightly, give extra space, and stay ready in case they move further onto the road. Up ahead, there's a car in front of me and a cyclist riding ahead of that car. This is a common situation where awareness is key. Cyclists are more vulnerable, so I need to anticipate that the car in front may slow down or move around them. I maintain a safe following distance, avoid rushing, and get ready to adjust my speed. Remember, when passing a cyclist, always leave at least 1.5 meters of space if the road allows. Patience and planning make the road safer for everyone. The car ahead overtakes the cyclist, leaving a safe gap. This is exactly the right approach, giving at least 1.5 meters of space when passing. I hold back until it's my turn to pass safely. Since this road is now 20 miles per hour, it's safer to stay behind the cyclist rather than overtaking immediately. At this speed, I can keep a safe distance, anticipate their movements, and wait for a clear, safe opportunity to pass. The road curves slightly to the right. I ease off the accelerator, stay in my lane, and look to the bend to anticipate any hazards ahead. I'm now approaching the Cannies-Burntoll roundabout. I take the left lane to prepare for the third exit. This is a traffic light controlled roundabout. The traffic light at the roundabout entrance is red, so I stop before the stop line and wait patiently for it to turn green. In my next video, I bring a complete package on how to approach and navigate roundabouts safely. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. The light turns green, so I accelerate smoothly. There's a car beside me, so I take extra care while turning through the curve. Approaching the third exit, the traffic light is red, so I slow down and stop safely before the line. As soon as the light turns green, I start exiting the roundabout alongside a car beside me. The car ahead and the one behind it speed up, but then suddenly slow down, likely because they noticed the new 20 miles per hour speed limit. The road curves to the left, with a wall on the left and a car in the next lane. This is a situation where good judgment is crucial. I stay fully in my lane, ease off the accelerator to control my speed, and position my car slightly to the right within my lane to maximize space. Maintaining focus and adjusting your position help you navigate the curve safely without incident. Now the speed limit has changed to 40 miles per hour. Since it's safe and the road ahead is clear, I gradually increase my speed to match the new limit, but always staying in control and within the rules. I see the red signal ahead, so I ease off early since I'm at higher speed. That gives me a smoother stop and saves fuel. Remember, harsh braking not only wastes fuel but also wears out your brakes quicker. The light turns green. Time to move off steadily with the traffic flow. Here's a question. Should you rush off the moment the light turns green? Think about it. No, you should always take a quick glance left and right in case someone jumps the red. The road ahead now has a 30 miles per hour speed limit, so I adjust my speed accordingly. It's important to spot the signs early and adapt your speed. This keeps you and others safe, especially near junctions, pedestrians, or parked cars. There's a cyclist ahead, so I signal and carefully change to the right lane to overtake. The cyclist passes through just before the traffic light turns red. I had planned to overtake and move back to the left lane, but the traffic has now collected at the signal, so I stay in the right lane for the moment, waiting for a safe gap to return to the left. The road curves to the right ahead. I ease off the accelerator slightly and maintain a steady position in my lane, keeping a safe distance from the vehicles around me. Adjusting your speed before the bend helps you stay in control and navigate it safely. I see vehicles coming from the opposite lane, so I slow down and move slightly to the left within my lane. This helps maintain a safe distance and keeps the drive controlled as I navigate the bend. The right lane splits into two, one for turning right and one for going straight. I stay in the correct lane for going straight, keeping aware of the vehicles around me and maintaining a safe distance. The van on the left has indicated a left signal. After the junction, I check the meters to ensure it's safe, signal left, and smoothly move back into the left lane. There's a red light ahead, and I notice a cyclist stopped in the middle lane. I wonder why he might be in that position. I need to stay extra alert to his actions, and you'll see something unexpected happen ahead in this video. The light turns green, and I'm moving off. I need to be extra careful with the cyclist's actions since I'm passing from the left. Staying alert and maintaining a safe distance is key to navigating this safely. Here's a quick tip while the road is clear. Smooth acceleration and checking meters often helps you stay in full control, especially before the next junction or signal. I notice some vehicles keep driving in the right lane even though the left lane ahead is clear. On normal roads, the highway code recommends keeping left unless overtaking or turning right. The traffic light ahead is turning red, so I ease off the accelerator and prepare to stop. I was waiting at red signal. Suddenly, the cyclist overtakes that car on the right and jumps the red light. Extremely dangerous and potentially life-threatening. Meanwhile, a pedestrian crosses the road briefly. This shows exactly why we have traffic signals, to keep everyone safe. The signal turns green, so I move off carefully. Even though I have right-of way, I stay alert to vulnerable road users, like the cyclist earlier and pedestrians nearby. Maintaining awareness and a safe distance ensures a smooth and safe start. As I take the left bend, I notice the car ahead in the right lane braking. That's an early clue for me that the traffic light ahead might be red, so I ease off the accelerator and prepare to stop. I fast-forwarded this part while waiting at the red light, focusing on real road situations and learning points, because your time is valuable. The light turns green, and I move off smoothly while staying alert to my surroundings. Just ahead, the speed limit changes to 40 miles per hour, so I can gradually build up my speed while still driving with caution. I see the red light ahead, so I ease off early and let the car slow down smoothly. Anticipating the stop not only saves fuel but also keeps the drive comfortable and safe. The light turns green and I set off steadily, checking around as I move. Remember, green means go, but only when it's safe to do so. Now I'm using the slip road to join the 814, also known as the Clydeside Expressway. The slip road takes me into the right-hand lane, so I need to be careful and wait for a safe gap before moving back to the left lane. When the two roads join, there's a hatch marking followed by double solid lines, which means neither side of vehicles is allowed to change lanes in that area. Matching speed with traffic and checking meters is key here. With a vehicle in the left lane beside me, I need to continue in the right-hand lane until I find a safe gap to move back to the left. Meanwhile, The speed limit has now increased to 50 miles per hour, so I gradually adjust my speed while keeping full awareness of traffic around me. Finally, I spot a safe gap. I check my meters, signal, and carefully move back into the left lane, making sure the lane change is smooth and safe. This road has a lot of bends, so even though I am driving at a higher speed, I steer gently to stay in control. I also stay aware of vehicles in the next lane that might be overtaking me, making sure to maintain a safe line and speed through each curve. A slip road is joining from the left, so I need to be extra cautious and watch for any vehicles merging onto the main road. Keeping a safe distance and monitoring meters helps me adjust my speed and position safely. I am now exiting the expressway, so I signal early to let others know my intention. The slip road has 2 lanes, and I stay in the right lane since I'm planning to turn right at the junction ahead. The speed limit has now dropped to 30 miles per hour, so I ease off the accelerator and adjust my speed accordingly. I turn on my signal before coming to a halt at a red traffic light, which means I won't have to signal again once the light turns green, keeping the maneuver smooth and safe. The light turns green, so I move off carefully and take the right turn. I stay alert to other vehicles and pedestrians, keeping my steering gentle and maintaining a safe speed throughout the turn. I check my meters, signal, and carefully move into the left lane to pass the vehicles blocking the right lane. Once I've safely overtaken, I follow the same process to return to the right lane because the left lane is only for left turns and I'm continuing straight ahead. The Clyde Arc Bridge is one of the most confusing roads I've driven on, especially for those not familiar with it. Many drivers mistake it for a dual carriageway, but it's actually 2 single carriageways, one for normal traffic and the other for buses, taxis, and cyclists only. Some drivers turn left from the lane meant for straight or right turns, while others get confused at the end of the bridge, mistaking the oncoming lane for a right-hand lane. A lack of awareness of the signboards adds to the confusion. The road used to have arrows painted for oncoming traffic, but they've faded over time and need to be fixed. Even today, hundreds of vehicles make mistakes on this bridge. I'm taking a left turn at this junction to approach the roundabout. From there, I'll take the second exit to continue straight ahead, keeping an eye on traffic. As I approach the roundabout, I check all directions and see that no vehicles are coming, so it's clear for me to go. I stay alert, maintain my speed, and follow the path to take the second exit safely. I'm taking the right lane because I'll be turning right ahead. Also, the left lane is mostly used as designated parking spaces. I check my meters, signal right, and move into the yellow box junction. I wait patiently for a safe gap in traffic before making the turn, ensuring the maneuver is smooth and safe. There's water collected on the left side of the road, so I position my car slightly to the right to avoid it, keeping a safe distance from other vehicles and maintaining control. And that's the end of today's journey. We've dodged cyclists, squeezed through bends, survived tricky roundabouts, and even braved the Clyde Arc Bridge. Seriously, who designed that road? But hey, the key takeaway is simple. Check your meters, signal early, respect the speed limits, and keep calm, even when other road users don't. If you enjoyed riding along, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell, because the next video might just save you from making the same mistakes we saw today. Until then, drive safe, stay sharp, and keep those wheels rolling.